right, we are going to be replacing the rear bumper cover on a 2009 Lexus HS250H. All right, one of the first things we want to do is pop the deck lid, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, here are a list of the tools I use to replace the rear bumper cover on a 2009 Lexus HS250H, a 10mm socket with a cordless ratchet, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a plastic clip removal tool. All right, we're gonna come here, press this tab here. We're gonna use this lever here to open it on. We're gonna come to the side here, peel this liner back. There's gonna be a 10mm right in there. You may be able to feel it with your finger. We're gonna go ahead and remove it. All right, I'm gonna pull this here back and use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove that screw in here. Okay, we got that removed. Okay, now we should be able to tug on this and get it to come free. Now I'm going to go to the bottom and remove some more clips and screws, as well as remove the 10mm that's on the opposite side. All right, we're gonna come to the bottom here, and we're gonna remove this plastic retainer here. Do that now. Alright, gonna head down here. And we're gonna do the same all the way down to the other side. Alright, I'm gonna take a 10mm. This bolt here and the other one on the other side as well. All right, we're gonna go ahead and tug here again. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Cover. Be sure to make sure that these tabs here go under the lower cover, not over. Be sure to line them up. There. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put my 10mm screw here and 10mm screw there, so that once I go to the sides to snap them in, it doesn't start to fall off the car. Come to the side here, trying to get everything lined up and tap it in. ahead and put our screw, 10mm screw back in there. And then we're gonna close this up, back up, and put our clips in at the bottom. Let's get to it. All right, we are gonna put our screw back in. Bottom. All right, want to go ahead and make sure everything's aligned here and get to the bottom and put those plastic retainer clips in around the bottom. And you're going to repeat the same process on the other side of the vehicle. Okay, come here, go ahead and line our two holes up and push our plastic retainer clip through. We're going to repeat this process on the other side and all around the rest of the bumper cover at the bottom. That's how you replace the rear bumper cover on a 2009 Lexus HS250H.